Creative prompts unlock the imagination of AI and transform it into a powerful partner for storytelling, idea generation, and marketing. While productivity prompts help you organize and execute, creative prompts help you dream, explore, and inspire. The secret lies in asking open-ended questions with clear direction. Let's start with storytelling prompts. AI storytelling begins with world building, character creation, and emotion. Instead of saying, write a story about friendship, guide the AI with purpose. Write a short story about two rivals who must work together to save their city. Make it fast-paced and emotional. Adding tone and genre helps shape the narrative. You can go further by setting perspective and mood. Tell the story from the hero's point of view with a hopeful tone. These small details give the AI a creative framework to build within, and the results often surprise you. You can also experiment with hybrid storytelling prompts that mix formats. For example, write a diary entry from an astronaut who has just landed on Mars, or write a script for a 60-second animated short about kindness. These approaches push the AI to generate creative structure, not just text. Next, let's look at idea generation prompts. The goal here is to expand your thinking, not narrow it. You can ask the AI to produce many options quickly, such as, give me 10 creative business ideas that combine education and AI, or list 5 innovative ways to teach creativity in schools. Then, use follow-up prompts to refine the best ideas. Develop idea number 3 into a 2-minute video concept. This iterative process turns raw brainstorming into actionable creativity. Role-based prompting is also powerful for idea generation. You might say, act as a creative director brainstorming campaign slogans, or you are an innovation coach helping a team think differently. The AI adapts its mindset and vocabulary to fit the role, often generating ideas you hadn't considered. Now let's move to marketing copy prompts, where creativity meets persuasion. The key here is clarity, audience focus, and emotional appeal. Instead of asking, write marketing copy for my product, be specific. Write a short social media ad for a new AI course that helps professionals save time. Use a confident and inspiring tone. The more you define your audience and goal, the stronger your copy becomes. For variation, you can use style-based prompts. Write a bold Apple-style tagline for a new productivity app, or create a friendly, story-driven email for customers returning to a brand. You can even ask, give me 3 different versions of the same ad. One humorous, one emotional, one professional. This pattern gives you creative range without starting from scratch. Another useful method is combining storytelling and marketing. For example, write a short ad that tells a story of transformation, from burnout to balance, promoting a mindfulness app. Storytelling-driven marketing connects emotionally with audiences because people remember stories more than facts. Finally, use creative enhancement prompts to polish your ideas. After the AI generates something, you can say, make this more vivid, or add an element of surprise. Small refinements like these elevate the output from good to unforgettable. The art of creative prompting is about partnership. You bring vision, and AI brings possibility. The best results come when you combine structure with imagination. Define your goal, choose a tone, and let the AI explore within that frame. Whether you're crafting stories, brainstorming ideas, or writing marketing copy, your words are the map, and AI is your creative compass. When you master creative prompts, you don't just create content, you unlock new perspectives, faster ideas, and storytelling that connects with people on a deeper level.